In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord for Business. We'll set up a professional server, organize channels, assign roles, add automation, and turn your community into a trusted hub for support, sales, and events. Start by creating a new server. Click the plus icon to add a server, choose Create My Own, and select for a club or community so you get the right community features. Name the server after your brand and upload your logo to make it instantly recognizable. This foundation sets the tone for professionalism. Next, build a clear channel structure. Create an announcements section with an announcements channel for key updates and launches, and a news channel for ongoing items. Make these read-only for members, so only authorized roles can post. Add a community section with general, introductions, feedback, and polls to drive conversation and collect insights. For support, include support, FAQ, and known issues channels. A ticket system is a great optional add-on for private trackable requests. For business and sales, set up pricing, offers, case studies, and partners to showcase value and guide buyers. Finally, add voice channels like general voice, support call, and events or webinars for live conversations and sessions. Set roles and permissions thoughtfully. Create roles for owner, admin, moderator, support, verified customer, member, and bot. Use role colors to make hierarchy clear, restrict at everyone so only necessary permissions are granted, and lock announcement channels so they stay clean and authoritative. Add automation and bots to scale smoothly. Use a moderation bot like Carlbot or Dino for reaction roles and rule enforcement. Add ticket tool for customer support tickets, Sesh for events and meetings, and Zapier or webhooks to connect tools like Shopify and Stripe. Set automated welcomes, auto role assignment, and spam or link protection to reduce manual work and keep things safe. Handle customer support in dedicated ticket channels rather than public chat. Assign support staff roles so members know who can help, and make your FAQ searchable to cut repeat questions. This workflow speeds up responses, keeps communication transparent, and builds trust. To sell products or services, offer paid roles such as VIP, Pro, or Premium. Unlock private channels for customers, provide exclusive discounts, and give early access to launches. Many businesses connect Stripe, Patreon, or Ko-fi with role automation to grant access instantly. Strengthen branding and trust with a server banner and icon, consistent colors, a clear rules channel, and a professional tone. Enable community server and set rules and safety channels to improve discoverability and credibility. Drive engagement with live Q&A, product demos, AMAs, workshops, and community calls. Schedule everything with Discord's events feature so members get reminders. Finally, keep it secure and professional. Enable two-factor authentication for admins, turn on auto mod, limit link posting, and backup roles and settings regularly. With this setup, your Discord becomes a powerful, organized engine for business growth.